which means whatever the thing you want to do, that has been decided by you. Means you have decided to do that thing. Okay, then the structure is used. Okay, now let's see some examples. I have decided to start my own business. I have decided to start my own business. I have decided to buy a new laptop. I have decided to attend. I have decided to attend a meeting with my staff. I have decided to write an email. I have decided to speak a few words. I have decided to go back. I have decided to join in a join in an MNC. I have decided to do exercise regularly. I have decided to take up a new course. I have decided to throw the wastage. I have decided to go to market to buy vegetables. I have decided to adopt a baby boy. I have decided to join in the school. I have decided to buy a lottery. I have decided to start practicing meditation. I have decided to save money in the bank. Jumbo and EY money. I have decided to lose weight. I have decided to learn. I have decided to learn SAP course. I have decided to get married. I have decided to create an app. Okay, thank you. Let's meet in the next structure, next session. Okay, thank you.